Welcome to the chemistry class. Today we will discuss another unit of concentration, the molarity. As we know that concentration is the amount of solute dissolved in a particular amount of solvent. Now in order to find out what is the amount of solute dissolved in a particular amount of solvent, we are using certain units. Today we will discuss the unit of concentration in terms of molarity. It is the number of moles of solute dissolved per decimeter cube of solution, or it is the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. We have to find out that in each liter of a solution how many moles of a particular solute has been dissolved. So the moles of solute dissolved per decimeter cube or per liter of a solution is called molarity. Mathematically, molarity is equal to moles of solute per unit volume of solution, but remember that the volume should be taken in liters or it should be taken in decimeter cube. According to the definition of mole, we know that mole of a substance is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So in order to find out the molarity in terms of mass, put the value of moles in equation number 1. So by putting the value of moles, which is mass in gram divided by molar mass, it is equal to mass in gram of solute divided by molar mass of solute divided by decimeter cube of solution. So the value of mole is mass in gram divided by molar mass, and is volume of solution is in division, so it is 1 divided by decimeter cube of solution. Now by using this formula we can calculate the molarity of a solution. We can calculate the molarity of solution if we know the mass of the solute and volume of the solution, and remember that the molar mass of solute is calculated by using the formula of solute. So if we know the mass given in gram given and the volume of the solution, we can find out the molarity. Secondly, if we want to prepare a solution of a particular molarity, then we have to find out what is the mass per decimeter cube of solution is there in the given solution. So secondly, we can prepare a solution of our own molarity if we know by calculating the mass in gram per decimeter cube of solution. So by using this formula we can calculate not only the molarity of a solution, but we can also prepare a solution of our own molarity. Now we have to discuss, we have to explain how can we use the formula in calculation. We are giving some examples. We are given a question to calculate the molarity of a solution containing 7.50 moles of calcium carbonate in N of water to make 1.50 decimeter cube of solution. If we look at the question, the data given in the question is the moles of solute, which is calcium carbonate, it is 7.50 moles. The volume of the solution given is 1.50 decimeter cube. We have to calculate the molarity. So molarity is equal to 7.50 divided by 1.5, as we know that molarity is equal to moles of solute, which is 7.50, divided by volume of solution, which is 1.50 decimeter cube. So by calculating the molarity of solution will be 5 molar. Similarly, we can also calculate the molarity of solution if the mass of solute is given. Then we have to use the other formula by putting the value of moles in the given formula. For example, what is the molarity of solution containing 2 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 50 centimeter cube of solution. If you look at the question, here the mass of solute is given, the volume of solution is given in centimeter cube, and we have to calculate the molarity. Now extract data from the question The mass of sodium hydroxide given is 2 grams. The volume of solution is 500 centimeter cube, and remember that we have to take volume of solution in decimeter cube. So convert volume of solution from centimeter cube into decimeter cube. So 500 divided by 1000. So the volume of the solution will be 0.5 decimeter cube. Remember that we have to take the volume in dm cube, not in centimeter cube. Similarly, the molar mass of NaOH. So the formula of NaOH containing 1 sodium, 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. So the total molar mass of the solute, which is sodium hydroxide, is 40 gram per mole. Now putting this value in the given formula, as we know that molarity is equal to moles of solute per unit volume of solution in decimeter cube. As in question, the mass of solute is given, not the moles of solute. So we have to rearrange this formula by putting the value of mole in equation number 1. As we know that mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass, so formula 1 will become mass in gram of sodium hydroxide divided by molar mass of sodium hydroxide into 1 over decimeter cube. Mass in gram of sodium hydroxide given is 2 gram. The molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram, while the volume of the solution is 0.5 dm cube. So calculating the figure, we can get the molarity of the given solution. So if the mass of solute is given, then we can calculate the molarity of solution. It is all about the topic. In the next topic, we will have to study about how to prepare a solution of our own molarity. Thank you and have a nice day.